Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the inspiring realm of the spirit animals oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of the Mircat Spirit animal, renowned for community, vigilance, and shared purpose. Part 1. Discovering the Mircat Spirit. In the sun-kissed plains of Africa, the endearing meerkat emerges as a symbol of profound significance, embodying essential qualities of community, vigilance, and social connection. With their captivating and cooperative ways, meerkats become the bearers of spiritual medicine, offering us invaluable lessons in the value of unity, the importance of staying vigilant amidst life's challenges, and the profound significance of fostering meaningful connections. At the heart of the meerkat symbolism lies the powerful essence of community. Living in tight-knit family groups known as mobs, meerkats exemplify the beauty of cooperation and working together for the greater good. The spiritual medicine of the meerkat imparts to us the importance of standing together as a united force, supporting one another through life's trials and triumphs. In the embrace of community, we find strength, belonging, and a shared sense of purpose that enriches our lives. Beyond their sense of community, meerkats showcase extraordinary vigilance, always on the lookout for potential threats and dangers that may come their way. With one designated as a sentinel on guard duty, they exemplify the essence of staying vigilant and alert in the face of life's challenges. The spiritual energy of the meerkat teaches us the significance of remaining aware and present, ready to face whatever may come our way. By adopting the meerkat's vigilance, we can navigate life's uncertainties with greater foresight and poise. Moreover, meerkats offer a profound lesson in social connection. Their interactions, playful gestures, and affectionate grooming rituals reveal the depth of their bond with one another. The spiritual medicine of the meerkat reminds us of the intrinsic value of meaningful connections with those around us. In a world where technology can sometimes lead to isolation, meerkats encourage us to foster genuine connections, invest in the relationships that nourish our souls, and prioritize the time we spend in the presence of loved ones. In conclusion, the meerkat's presence in the natural world holds a timeless wisdom that extends far beyond its charming appearance. Through its symbolism of community, vigilance, and social connection, it becomes a guiding light, leading us towards the path of unity, alertness, and meaningful relationships. Let the wisdom of the meerkat inspire us to strengthen our bonds with others, to stand united in the face of challenges, and to remain vigilant in navigating life's journey. Part 2. Qualities of the Mircat Spirit. The meerkat possesses a unique set of qualities that make it a fascinating and captivating animal. Highly social creatures, meerkats live in tight-knit family groups called mobs, where they display remarkable cooperation and communication skills. Their strong bonds and collaborative efforts ensure effective predator detection, foraging, and protection of their young. Meerkats are known for their keen senses, with sharp eyesight and acute hearing, making them adept at spotting potential threats and sources of food in their arid desert habitats. Their alert and curious nature adds to their charm as they stand on their hind legs to scan the surroundings for any signs of danger. Moreover, meerkats are skillful diggers, creating intricate burrow systems that provide shelter from heat and predators. Their communal lifestyle, intelligence, and resourcefulness contribute to their successful adaptation to the challenging environments they inhabit, making them a symbol of unity, vigilance, and adaptability in the animal kingdom. Part 3. Cultural and mythological significance of the Mircat Spirit. The cultural and mythological significance of the meerkat varies across different societies and regions. In some African cultures, meerkats are revered for their social and cooperative behavior. They are seen as symbols of community, teamwork, and family values. In folk tales and stories, meerkats often embody qualities such as loyalty, unity, and vigilance, serving as role models for harmonious living within a community. In other African cultures, meerkats are associated with folklore and superstitions. Some believe that meerkats possess special powers or supernatural abilities, and their presence is thought to bring luck or ward off evil spirits. Their ability to stand on their hind legs and scan the horizon has led to the belief that they have a unique connection to the spirit world, making them protectors of their communities. Additionally, meerkats have gained popularity and recognition in modern Western culture through various media, such as movies, television shows, and advertisements. Their adorable appearance and charming behaviors have made them beloved animal characters, often portrayed as courageous and resourceful. Overall, the cultural and mythological significance of the meerkat reflects its unique qualities as a social and cooperative animal. Its portrayal in folklore and popular media has contributed to its reputation as a symbol of unity, vigilance, and community values, transcending borders and captivating the hearts of people worldwide. Part 4. A meerkat duck in my dreams. When a meerkat appears in a dream, its symbolism extends beyond the surface-level interpretation. The dream might be encouraging you to reevaluate your social connections and the role you play within your community or family. Meerkats' close-knit family groups exemplify the power of unity, reminding you of the value of cooperation and support from loved ones. The dream could be prompting you to appreciate the collective strength that emerges from working together towards common goals. The meerkat's guarding behavior in the dream may signify the need to be more mindful and attentive in your life. It could be a message to pay closer attention to your surroundings and be aware of potential opportunities or challenges that may arise. Just as meerkats watch for predators to protect their mob, the dream may be urging you to be vigilant in safeguarding your own interests and those of your loved ones. Additionally, the meerkat's adaptability and resourcefulness symbolize the ability to overcome obstacles and navigate through life's challenges. The dream may be a reminder of your own resilience and capacity to find creative solutions to any difficulties you encounter. Embracing the meerkat's qualities in the dream can inspire you to approach situations with flexibility and grace, trusting in your ability to handle whatever comes your way. As with any dream, the specific emotions and circumstances in the dream are vital to understanding its individual meaning. Consider how you felt during the dream and upon waking, and contemplate the relevance of the meerkat's presence in your current life circumstances. Exploring the dream's deeper meanings can offer valuable insights into your subconscious thoughts, feelings, and desires, guiding you towards personal growth and self-awareness. Part 5. Habitat, behaviors, and ecological importance of the meerkat. Habitat. The habitat of the meerkat is predominantly the arid and semi-arid regions of southern Africa, particularly the Kalahari Desert and the surrounding grasslands. These regions offer the meerkats the dry, sandy soils they require for their complex burrow systems. Meerkats are well adapted to the desert environment, where temperatures can be extreme and water is scarce. They rely on their keen senses, such as their excellent eyesight and hearing, to detect potential dangers and locate food sources in the vast open spaces. The meerkats' burrows provide them with shelter from the scorching sun, predators, and harsh weather conditions, and their habitat's sparse vegetation allows them to spot predators from a distance. The arid landscape poses challenges, but the meerkats' resourcefulness and cooperative nature have enabled them to thrive in these challenging habitats, exemplifying their adaptability and resilience as desert-dwelling animals. Behaviors, social structure, and cooperative behavior. Meerkats live in close-knit family groups called mobs or clans, which can consist of up to 40 individuals. Within these groups, each meerkat has a specific role and responsibilities, contributing to collective survival. They display remarkable cooperation, taking turns to act as sentinels to watch for predators while others forage for food. This social structure fosters a strong sense of unity and protection within the mob. Foraging and hunting. Meerkats are opportunistic omnivores, feeding on a diverse diet that includes insects, small rodents, birds, eggs, fruits, and plants. They are skilled hunters and will work together to catch elusive prey. Meerkats use their keen sense of smell and sight to locate food, and their nimble movements allow them to dig swiftly in search of underground insects. Vigilant sentinel behavior. One of the most iconic behaviors of meerkats is their sentinel duty. When foraging or resting, One or more meerkats will assume the role of a sentinel, standing on their hind legs to gain a better vantage point. They scan the surroundings for potential threats, such as birds of prey or predators like snakes and jackals. Their sentry system ensures the mob's safety and allows others to forage without fear of surprise attacks. Grooming and bonding. Meerkats engage in mutual grooming as a means of social bonding and maintaining hygiene within the group. Grooming reinforces social bonds, helps establish a sense of trust and cooperation, and contributes to the mob's cohesion and harmony. Playful behavior. Meerkats are known for their playful nature, engaging in various games and activities within the mob. Play serves as an essential way for young meerkats to learn essential skills they will need later in life, such as hunting, social interactions, and self-defense. Playful behaviors also promote social bonding and reduce tension within the group. Ecological importance. The meerkat holds ecological importance as a key species in its habitat, the arid regions of southern Africa. Their foraging behaviors as opportunistic omnivores contributed to the regulation of insect populations, helping to control potential pests and maintain the balance within the ecosystem. As skilled hunters, meerkats help control small rodent and bird populations, preventing potential overgrazing and competition for resources. Their burrowing activities provide shelter and nesting sites for other animals, promoting biodiversity within the ecosystem. The meerkat's role as both predator and prey creates intricate food web connections, ensuring the stability and health of the arid habitats they inhabit. Thus, the meerkat's presence plays a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance and contributing to the overall health and functioning of their unique desert environment. Part 6. How the meerkat contributes to scientific research. Living in intricate social groups known as clans or mobs, meerkats offer scientists a window into the dynamics of cooperative breeding, altruism, and social hierarchy within the animal kingdom. Their sentinel behavior, where one stands guard while others forage, has become a cornerstone study in altruistic behaviors and the evolution of vigilance. Furthermore, research on meerkats provides insights into predator-prey interactions and the adaptive strategies employed by species in harsh environments. Part 7. Guided visualization to connect with the Mircat Spirit. Find a comfortable and quiet space where you can relax without any disturbances. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, inhaling slowly through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Allow your body to relax and your mind to become calm. Imagine yourself standing in the heart of an expansive and arid desert, with the warm sun gently kissing your skin. Feel the soft sand beneath your feet as you become one with the vast landscape. As you take in the sights and sounds of the desert, a meerkat slowly emerges from its burrow nearby. Observe its sleek and agile form, its curious and alert eyes scanning the horizon. Notice its playful and social nature as it interacts with other meerkats in the distance. Approach the meerkat with respect and an open heart, inviting a connection with its spirit. Feel a sense of curiosity and admiration for this unique creature and its remarkable qualities. Extend your hand towards the meerkat, allowing it to approach and connect with you. Sense its spirit merging with your own, sharing its wisdom and essence with you. As you connect with the Mircat Spirit, feel a surge of energy and vitality flowing through you. Embrace its cooperative and social nature, drawing strength from the power of unity and support. Ask the Mircat Spirit for any guidance or insights it may have for you on your life's journey. Listen to any feelings, thoughts, or images that come to mind, trusting that the Mircat Spirit is here to offer wisdom and inspiration. Express gratitude to the Mircat Spirit for its presence and guidance, knowing that you can return to this visualization whenever you seek its strength and connection. When you are ready, gently open your eyes, carrying the essence of the Mircat Spirit with you as a source of unity, vigilance, and adaptability. Allow the wisdom of the Mircat Spirit to resonate within you, guiding you on your life's path with grace and determination. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, Keep those neurons firing.